that is, I can tell you now, 90% of that groups are genuine when they say foreigners out of the country. They are genuine with the idea. But then in the groups, there's always that crime syndicate, like 10%, that is only there to do crime. They are only there to come and loot your shop. They are only there to come steal your stuff. And that is the problem that we're going to have with, that we're going to sit with. That crime part, that last 10%, that is the problem. So guys, you standing here, sitting here today, most of you have businesses in our area. Meaning you have a shop, you have a takeaways, you have a wholesaler, whatever you have in our areas. So that means you have a business here. How are you going to secure your businesses? How are you going to secure your businesses? Fortify, put burglar bar gates up. Right, put burglar bar gates up, put extra fencing up, put extra security. Will that safeguard you as person?
No, doesn't work.
Because you must still get in your vehicle without burglar bars and drive home. You must still walk to your vehicle from